Let's turn some sticks and some old baubles and some glitter into some fabulous Christmas decor. Hello, my darling. Okay, so I have had this project probably for like 20 years. It's rolled up somewhere. Full disclosure, I am a hoarder of crafting ideas. Stuff that I didn't get to. Whatever. So today we're going to lower our expectations and create a project using what we have and some branches. Some branches that I picked up outside. And we're going to use a little glitter and the baubles I showed you earlier. So the key to this project is finding some sticks. And you want to find some sturdy sticks. Don't get those like flimsy ones. This one's from magnolia tree out in front of my house. You want something that's going to hold the weight of the ornaments. So what I do is I pick up branches and then I'll rinse them off outside and let them dry. Before we start assembling our branches in our vase, you're going to want to find a hefty vase or container for your branches. So this one I'm using as a resin vase. It's not very deep. You just want to make sure it's got enough weight to hold the branches and the branches aren't going to fall all over the place. Guess how I know that? Another goal of this project is I don't want to use any lights on these branches. So I'm going to use some Mod Podge. I'm using this matte formula. And I'm going to cover all my branches with the Mod Podge. And then I'm actually going to sprinkle on some of this glitter just to give it a little bit of a kind of an icy, snowy kind of feel. You know, I'm still keeping it pretty natural, but I am going to add a little glitter. So glitter's not necessary. If you don't want to use it, please do not use it. But I happen to love glitter, so I'm using it. Once we cover our branches, we're going to put them into our vase. Here we have our bare branch Christmas tree with all the jewels and things hanging on it, and it really looks, honestly, it looks magical. It's so pretty, and I didn't have to spend any money. Just use what I had. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.